it's Dulce. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a gum paste filler flower. This flower is probably one of the easiest flowers that you can learn how to make, and it's also one of the most versatile flowers. So I truly recommend that you learn how to make this flower so it can help you when you make your gum paste flower arrangements. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment in the comment sections down below telling me what type of videos you like to see next. I love hearing your ideas. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can become part of our little cake decorating family, and hit the little bell icon next to the subscription box to be notified of when I post new videos. Make sure to also share this video with your friends, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
First off, we're taking 26 gauge wire and some small flat pliers and making a very small hook at the end of the wire. Then I'm taking floral tape and stretching it to activate the glue. You can use full width floral tape or you can use half width floral tape, whichever one is easiest for you. Here I'm using full width floral tape, and then just starting at the end with the loop, going all the way down, wrapping all of the wire with the floral tape. Once you're done with that, you can set the wire aside and take a small piece of gum paste, whichever color you want. This one's just light pink. And then kneading it to soften it a little bit, and then I'm rolling it into a ball and then slightly shaping it into a teardrop shape using my fingers. Then I'm pressing the top of it I'm pressing down the top of it to flatten it out. And I'm using this tool. I forget which tool this is called, but I'm just using it to mark the center. Then I'm taking some small scissors to cut out 5 petals. For the next step, you just want to use your fingers to flatten out and shape each petal. You can actually shape the petals differently depending on how you want the flower to look. I'm just showing you one way, but you can also make them a little bit longer and not as thin, or it all depends on what type of look you want for your filler flowers. So feel free to experiment doing different types of petals so you can see all the different types of filler flowers that you can make using the same technique. The next step is just inserting the wire onto your gum paste flower. You can dip the wire into a little bit of either egg white or edible glue to help it adhere to the gum paste, and then press around the base of the flower to make sure it is actually adhered to the wire. For this last part, we are just going to take a very small piece of gum paste, rolling it into a ball, pressing it down to flatten it a little bit, and then I'm taking this petal dust and dusting it yellow. So this is going to be the center of our flower. Then I'm putting some egg white on the center of the flower, which is going to act as glue, and I'm pressing down the little center to make sure that it's adhered well. And this is our finished flower.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!